Hey everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can shrink your drooping earlobes in just 1 week. This is a 100% natural and highly effective home remedy which will help to shrink your large and drooping earlobes in just few days. So now let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this highly effective home remedy. And the first ingredient which we need to prepare this remedy is pure aloe vera gel. And please don't use the ready-made aloe vera gel for this home remedy. After the pure aloe vera gel, you're gonna need apple cider vinegar, and please make sure that it's with mother vinegar. And now after the ACV, you're gonna need the last ingredient, which is honey. So now let's prepare this remedy, and to prepare this remedy you firstly have to take 1.5 teaspoon honey in a clean bowl. After that you have to add approx 1 teaspoon pure aloe vera gel in it. And now lastly you have to add half a teaspoon apple cider vinegar in it. And after adding all these 3 ingredients you have to mix them really well so that it makes a smooth and a sticky paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your home remedy to shrink large and drooping earlobes is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this paste should be very sticky and a little runny. And now let me tell you how to use this mixture. And for that you have to dip a cotton ball into this mixture and then squeeze out the excess. And now you just have to apply it on both sides of your earlobes. And here I am demonstrating on my hand, but you can similarly do it on your earlobes. Apply 2 to 3 layers of this paste on your earlobes and then leave it to air dry for about 2 to 3 hours. And after that just wash it off with cold water and then pat dry your skin really well. And if you want best and faster results out of this home remedy, then you have to use it regularly 2 to 3 times in a day for at least a week. And after using it regularly for few days, you will notice that your earlobes have been start shrinking automatically. This home remedy contains all the natural and highly effective home remedy to shrink your drooping and large earlobes. Honey has a lot of healing properties for the skin. It is a powerhouse of antioxidants and nourishing components. It softens the skin and also provided with the skin food that it needs, which really helps in shrinking your large and drooping earlobes. Apple cider vinegar is a very effective home remedy for keloids and also for the drooping earlobes, as it kills bacteria and minimizes redness and also visibly reduces the size of your drooping earlobes. And lastly, aloe vera gel has great healing and hydrating properties that repairs the skin and helps to retain moisture. It also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which helps to regenerate the new skin cells and automatically shrinks the large and drooping earlobes. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.